Hi. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing well, and yeah, it's been a while since I've posted any of my videos in the I Recommend series. So here I am with my third product in the I Recommend series. So my today's product is N's Closet Daily Moisturizing Cream. Guys, it's a beautiful product, and I think so that it's meant for the daytime. What do I say? It's just smells divine, but that's not the reason why I use it. I use it because it's got that uh, beautiful texture, which is so kind of it is so uh, light, as well as it's rich in a way that like right now the temperature, the humidity that's going on, so you don't even feel like touching your skin. But this one, if you apply it, and like right now I'm just applying this moisturizer, this day cream, and there's a little bit of this under eye gel. That's it. So once you apply it, you're totally done for the day. You don't need to worry about any of the other things, or uh, any sort of oily skin or anything. Yeah, guys, the one very important thing that I wanted to discuss here is that I have a normal skin, but this since this rose daily moisturizing cream is a water based product, so any of the skin types can use it. People with any skin type, oily skin or combination skin, anybody can use it. uh, they'll be very happy with it, I'm sure. And actually, like right now I'm talking about different products of like an under eye gel, or a sheet mask, or maybe a toner or something. But in times to come, I'll be talking about how is the step by step process and the procedure of applying the things in a way, if it is a night cream or a day cream, and the process of doing it. So yeah, and guys, you need to just like if I'm using this right now, it's been a while, 1.5 months almost I'm using it, and I'm pretty happy with the results. And it's not that since I'm talking about this product right now, so I don't use other things. I use other things as well. So what I'm trying to say is that one needs to, just play with things, and then maybe like you can buy a product and see the results for 6 months, and then again you can incorporate something else to your beauty routine, your skincare routine. So you need to just play and keep experimenting with one thing or one product at a time. But this is really very good. I highly recommend this N's Closet Rose Daily Moisturizer. It's a beautiful product. And actually, a lot of marketing is involved in such things like this is for this, and this product is for this time. This is for this skin need. So it is not that if it is a day cream, that doesn't mean that you can't apply it during the night. Of course, you can. So I think we should just keep on playing with the products and experiment it, and uh, get to know the results ourselves, and then maybe we should try something else. So yeah, it is all totally dependent on the result and the kind of the product is. If it is like N's Closet as a brand is a little high end, a little expensive product as compared to um, other very regular products. But it is for sure hands down a beautiful products. बहुत सारी खूबसूरत चीज़ें हैं इसके अंदर. You can just Google it and see, because nothing is written here, so I can't give a lot of details or description. And apart from that, yeah, जब आप यूज़ करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा. And it is meant for all skin types. This time I'm specific. Oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, everybody can use it. And so please, N's Closet, once again I repeat, N's Closet Rose Daily Moisturizing Day Cream. Okay, and quickly one more thing. So I have today, tried to apply this winged eyeliner. So this eyeliner is one of my favorites. This is Sugar, and I purchased it from Nykaa. The only reason I apply it because it has got this very easy applicator, and I'm a pro in applying the liner, so not much of a problem, and it gives a perfect shape once you're just done with it, and the application is really really very smooth. So yeah, Sugar, and I love this deep black color. So Sugar is my go-to liner. So guys, yeah, once again, N's Closet Rose Daily Moisturizer, Sugar eyeliner, and stay well, stay happy, stay positive, and just see you all guys very soon with my next series, and stay happy all of you. Bye bye.